Hey guys, I was going to Cato from Cato Hotels. You're at the Trio by Hilton Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And let's take a look at this room. Bathroom occupied as usual. We got our fridge, little closet area, 2 queen beds, 55-inch Samsung TV. The beds are a little bit more firm than I like, but it gets the job done. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. We got outlets and USBs, little nightstand, a long desk work area. We got our P-Tac, our blackouts right here, our chair. We got the view of the Oz Country right there, the outlets. I believe right there where I'm pointing is the Wyndham Resort Hotel. So, yep. Originally, we were supposed to stay at the Red Roof Inn, Lancaster, Strasburg. That place is a dump, and yeah. Then I had some points. And with points, I paid $77 for this room. So they had the free hot breakfast, pancakes, eggs, sausage. Staff was nice. Has a indoor pool, which is pretty heated, which is nice. So yeah, let's give another pan of the room. Bathroom is clean, occupied as usual. Typical true bathroom. I said this before, it's like the old Avid by IHG. What do you guys prefer, Avid Hotel or True by Hilton? They're pretty much the same. I think True just has a little bit of warmer colors in their room. And Avid is a lot of white and grays. Go check out my room tour of the Avid Hotel here in Lancaster and compare the two with this video. Let me know which one do you prefer, IHG's version or Hilton's version of this hotel concept. But yeah, it's just here for one night. We got lights up there too. Turn those on real quick. No microwave. They have one downstairs you can use, by the way. See, we got some lights here. Yep. So, yeah. Red Roof Inn in Strasburg. I did not get any. Red Roof Inn in Strasburg, Lancaster. Do not stay there. I got pictures of the bed. They all had stains and crumbs on them. I will go and put pictures of the stains I found at Red Roof Inn at the end of this video. We got showed 3 rooms. It's just places to dump. Don't even do it, not even for 40 bucks. Anyways, however, I do recommend this hotel. True by Hilton Lancaster East. So if you like what you see, please make sure to do it. Please like, share, and subscribe. KW out.